content assistant. Welcome to the channel. Today I am sharing with you my special tool that can help you big coaches struggling to figure out what to post, sick of staring at a black screen, hoping inspiration hits. Today I am revealing the tool that right scroll stopping posts for you, so you never have to guess again. Turn one idea into 10 impact special posts fast. Stop spending hours trying to craft posts for every special platform. Create 10 special media posts. You can transform any piece of content, blog, video, podcast, or article into 10 ready to go posts that grab attention, drive engagement, and expand your reach. Who it is for? This tool is perfect for marketers, coaches, creators, and business owners who want to show up consistently on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and more other platforms without overwhelming. What it does, repurpose content efficiently, turn one idea into full special social media suite, post engagement, generate posts that are scroll stopping, shareable, and platform optimized, save hours of work, stop juggling multiple drafts and formats, get all your posts in one go. And it maximizes visibility, reach your audience across multiple platforms with posts designed to perform. How it works: input any content piece, blog, video, podcast, or article, generate 10 social media posts instantly, tailored for multiple platforms. Posts include hooks, concise messaging, and shareable formatting. Review, tweak if needed, and schedule your social presence is ready to shine. Why you need viewers? Imagine turning one piece of content into full suite of posts in minutes. Keep your brand visible, your audience engaged, and your content machine running, all without the guesswork. Download this for free. Create 10 social media posts today. Start posting smarter, faster, and more consistently. Now, viewers, we will see together. The prompt is here. I will put it on the video description on my channel. Download it for free and use it. Now, let's give the job to ChatGPT. Now here, we will fill some brackets, for example, content. Here, I will read it. For example, I will read it size. Together, for example, I want to repurpose my content into social media posts that drive engagement and reach. Source content: post your blog post or video transcript, podcast notes, or describe your content. Here we will fill our content or our input. Platforms: which platforms? Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, and other platforms we will choose. Audience: for example, we choose our audience who follows us, coach, for example. Goal: what do we need? For example, engagement, traffic, sales, awareness. We will fill this here in ChatGPT. Now, for example, in the content, I will fit as to attract leads, for example. Leads. Which platform We leave the Hermat platform. We can leave it at LinkedIn, and you can put it in your preference. LinkedIn, and who follows you. For example, coaches can write coach or business owners. Coaches, what is our goal? What is your goal? Engagement, traffic, sales, or awareness? So I choose traffic, and you choose your own. Now I have filled the brackets. So the job is, we leave the job to ChatGPT now. Only I click this. Yeah, I will leave this now. Has done. Units got it. Here are 10 high engagement LinkedIn posts tailored for coaches, designed to drive traffic and attract leads with varied angles, hooks, and CTA. Call to action. Post one, viewers, pain point, hook, for example, lead magnet style. Most coaches do not have a content problem. They have conversion problem. You are posting, you are showing up, but your DMs, direct messages, are quiet. Here is the truth: content that doesn't guide, content that doesn't convert. Yes, if the content doesn't guide, it doesn't convert, doesn't bring you any leads. Start asking yourself, does this post move someone closer to working with me? If not, it's just noise. Here's the first post, viewers. CTA, hashtags, posting tips. Post 2, question-based engagement platform, LinkedIn. Key question for coaches. What is harder right now? A, getting engagement. B, getting clients. Staying consistent. Drop your answer. C, look, friends. CTA, hashtag, and posting tips. Post 3, authority tips post. When you download it, you will see, I cannot read all these 10 posts. Post 4, storytelling, relatable. All is ready. Only copy and post it to your website or your store or your business. 7, post. 8, list mistakes, hashtags. 9, curiosity, hook, platforms. Post, personal brand authority, platform, LinkedIn. If I had to grow coaching business from zero again, I would do this. Pick one audience, solve one painful problem. Here is the post, viewers. You can download it for free and use it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.